All right, so this is a quick overview tutorial of how to take a picture using your Chromebook and how to post it to Google Classroom. What you're going to want to do is first you're going to want to open up your camera application. You do that by going down to the lower left-hand corner to the launcher and click that. You might already see camera down there if you've used it. You could then type. You might see camera if you start typing, but camera is going to be right there. So I just click it to open it up, and then there you should see yourself. And so now you want to take a picture. So you're going to get your notebook and you're going to make sure you hold it. And if hopefully you have a little bit of light in the room, it's not too dark, you want to click this button right here. So once it's in the screen, and once you click that once, you'll see this picture down here will go up, which means the gallery is open. You could take another one if you feel like maybe you didn't get the best quality one. And then you can click down here to the gallery to open the gallery and to double check and see how it looks. And so you can sort of go back and forth between your two. You can see the outline, or you can click up here and do thumbnail view so you can see both. And so maybe you're like, okay, I'm going to stick with the second one. So I'm going to click the one I don't want. And I'm going to click the delete key to get rid of that. So that's the picture I want. I might X this out. And if I want to take another picture of like another page, I could do that. So once I've taken all my pictures, I'm going to close the camera application. And then I'm going to want to go to Google Classroom and go to the assignment that I want to attach it to. So let's say I want to attach this assignment. I'll click on it once and then I'll do View Assignment. And then I want to do Add or Create. So click the plus sign right here. It says Add or Create. And I want to go to File because I want to insert the file that I just took a picture of. I'm going to go to Upload. So I want to upload it. And I'll do Browse. And then on your Chromebook, we can click the Downloads, click in that Downloads folder, and there should really just be whatever picture you kept, or if you had more than one picture, you would click that, and then from there you would simply click Open, and it's going to upload the file and attach it right here. If you had a second picture that you needed to add, or you needed to add another picture later, you could click the plus symbol to add or create, and then do the same process, selecting the file that you want for the second one. And once you're done, you just click Turn In. That's it.